are providing only 20% video as a part of promotion. For remaining 80%, that is 6 to 8 articles, current affairs video and general studies complete videos, please subscribe to our complete package. 1. Government is planning to expand the number of life-saving drugs available at its Jan Aushadhi stores. GS Paper 2. Issues relating to health, education and human resources. Concerns about the spiraling prices of life-saving medicines. The Center's Department of Pharmaceuticals plans to offer 439 life-saving medicines, including cancer and cardiovascular drugs, as well as 250 medical devices like stents and implants at 40 to 50% discounted prices. The drugs and devices will be made available through the Jan Aushadhi stores opened across the country. Presently, only 45 medicines are available in 121 such stores. What is the significance of providing generic drugs at discounted price? The Indian pharmaceuticals market is the third largest in terms of volume and 13th largest in terms of value, as per Trade Watchers. Branded generics dominate the pharmaceuticals sector, constituting nearly 70 to 80% of the market. India is the largest provider of generic drugs globally, with the Indian generics accounting for 20% of global exports in terms of volume. Now, aiming to pass the benefit to its people, the government is bringing in schemes to bring down prices of essential medicines without using direct price regulation. The government has floated tenders in a bid to get the new plan rolling. Pricing of medicines under JAS. A margin of 16% on the sale price built into MRP of each drug. The JAS are eligible for incentive linked to sale of medicines at 10% of monthly sales amount, subject to the ceiling of Rs 10,000 per month for the first 12 months. In case of stores opened in northeastern states and other difficult areas, tribal areas, the rate of incentive is 15% of monthly sale amount, subject to ceiling of Rs 15,000 per month. Future plans under JAS. Government wants to offer 504 types of medicine, up from 361, and 161 surgical and consumable items at the stores. Improving the supply chain. Increasing the number of functional stores. Relaxing eligibility criteria for JAS operating agencies. Strengthening operating agencies. Reviving Indian Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited, IDPL, and Hindustan Antibiotics Limited, HAL, the two pharma CPSEs are key to providing medicines for the scheme. Current status of JAS. 182 Jan Aushadhi stores have been opened in 16 states, UTs. 111 are operational as on 13 July 2015. The government plans to open 200 more JAS during the financial year 2015-16. Key objectives of Jan Aushadhi campaign. To ensure the hallmark of medicine availability in the country, by ensuring access to quality medicines through the CPSU supplies and through GMP-compliant manufacturers in the private sector. To develop a model for accessing quality medicines at affordable prices for all. Create awareness through education and publicity so that more patients would be treated and more people will lead a healthier life. 2. The frequent alerts by environmental organizations and field studies show increasing threat faced by the major wetlands in North Kerala. There has been no concrete measures on the part of the local bodies or the government to address the concerns. What are the highlights of field study by scientists on wetlands? GS Paper 3, Biodiversity Conservation. What does the study says? The field study conducted by the scientists of the Center for Water Resources Development and Management, CWRDM, said that the existence of over 100 small and big wetlands in the North Kerala region faced threat with rampant human encroachment and land conversion attempts. The study report, which cited the impact of the trend on nature, still remains ignored by the government and local bodies with no specific measures for field-level interventions. Of the 100 wetlands, 17 important areas identified in Kozhikode, Kannur, Wayanad, Kasaragod and Malappuram districts are on the verge of extinction with unregulated spatial development and disposal of domestic sewage and industrial effluents. Unscientific channelizing of water flow too has been found to be destroying the rich and luxuriant mangrove forests. The Kotuli wetland is one of such overexploited areas in Kozhikode district, where conservation measures are a total failure.